Tired of manually managing every little task in your real estate business? Let's ditch the chaos and inject some automation into your Follow-Up Boss with triggers. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account. You'll want to navigate to the admin section. It's usually found by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner of the screen, then selecting Admin from the drop-down menu. Once in the admin section, look for automation. Click on automation to reveal the options where we'll find triggers. Now that we're in the triggers section, you should see a button labeled Add Trigger. Go ahead and click it to start creating your first automation. You'll be prompted to give your trigger a descriptive name. This helps you easily identify it later. Choose a name that clearly reflects what the trigger does. For example, New Lead Text Follow-Up. Next, select the trigger event. This is the event that will activate the automation. Common examples include new lead, stage change, or task created. Now define the conditions that need to be met for the trigger to fire. For example, you might want the trigger to only activate for leads with a specific tag or from a particular source. Finally, select the actions you want to happen when the trigger is activated and the conditions are met. This could include sending a text message, adding a tag, assigning a task, or even sending an email. Don't forget to click Save to activate your new trigger. Congratulations! You've just created your first trigger in Follow-Up Boss. Now you can sit back and watch as Follow-Up Boss automates tasks, saves time, and helps you close more deals.